Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainina binti Jamil from AS2294A. Today, I will present about Module 2, which is Georeferencing, Create Shapefile, and Digitization. The objective of this module are to be able to perform georeferencing, to be able to create shapefiles, to be able to digitize, and to be able to edit attribute. Now, we will go to the methodology. Drag layer load ndcdb pahang.hp to table of content, and also drag layer data smk sultan abubakar.gpg to table of content. And click down georeferencing, then make sure auto adjust in off mode. Right-click at layer SMK Sultan Abu Bakar, then click Zoom to layer. Select Window and choose Viewer. Make sure layer SMK Sultan Abu Bakar.jpg appear at Viewer screen. Next, right-click layer load ndcdb pahang.hp and click Zoom to layer. Make sure layer load ndcdb pahang.hp appear at Screen Data View. Right-click again at load ndcdb pahang.hp and select Properties, then choose Label to show the label on the load cadastral. Then, identify which area to do georeferencing for both layers. Georeferencing process should do on reference data layer load ndcdb pahang.hp because layer load ndcdb pahang.hp on the real coordinate in Earth surface. At least plot 4 control points during georeferencing process. On georeferencing toolbar, click Add Control Point to plot control point around Lot Building SMK Sultan Abu Bakar. Click Add Control Point on Lot Building SMK Sultan Abu Bakar. Make sure plot control point on same position for both layers. After done plotting control point on Lot Building SMK Sultan Abu Bakar, click Update Display for update position image to real coordinate. Click View Link Table on Georeferencing toolbar to show RMSE and make sure the RMSE is less than 1. Click on Georeferencing and click Rectify to save the current layer to a new datasheet. Last, save layer SMK Sultan Abu Bakar.jpg and rename as SMK Sultan Abu Bakar Georeferencing. Drag data SMK Sultan Abu Bakar Georeferencing.tif to table of content. We also can change the color of data for lot ndcdb Pahang to any color that we want. Right-click Folder Connection, Folder Data and select New Shapefile. Name layer as Educational Building A. Choose Future Type Polygon, then click Edit. After click Edit, choose Setting Coordinate System to WGS 9084. Then click OK. We also can change any color for Educational Building A to any color that we want. Before digitize, make sure Editor tool in active mode for process digitizing. Click Create Feature and select Layer Educational Building A and start Digitize on Polygon School Building. Digitize on Building Footprint for SMK Sultan Abu Bakar on Lot 2814, 2815, 2816 and 2817 Mukim Bandar Kuantan, Daerah Kuantan, Pahang. After done digitize, click Editor and Save Edit. Also click Editor to stop editing. Next process was key in the attribute. Right-click on Educational Building A layer and choose Open Attribute Table. Add field on layer Educational Building A and name as FCD. For the type, choose text and click OK. And we click again, add file, add field and name as FNM. For the type, also choose text and click OK. And we click again, add field. Then we name as num. For the type, also choose text and click OK. After that, we go to the editor. And we choose Start Editing and click Educational Building A. And then we open again Open Attribute Table. At the FCD, we type BE0010. At FNM, we type Educational Building. And at NUM, we type SMK Sultan Abu Bakar. And we adjust the width of the column. Then we go to editor, save edit, and also we stop editing. We open the attribute table again to make sure all the data is inserted. Then right-click on Lot Pahang to untick label features. At SMK Sultan Abu Bakar georeferencing layer also we untick. We also can change any color for the Lot Pahang. For example, I choose yellow. For the educational building A also we can change the color. From this I choose red color. Before I start a layout, I adjust the map to be at the center. After finish adjust, I click View and choose Layout View. Then go to File and choose page and print setup. Make sure the size is A4 and portrait layout and click OK. To insert Notes Error, click Insert on the main menu and select Notes Error. Select Desired Error and click OK. Modify size and the arrow location on map as desired. Then, insert title by selecting Insert, Title, and name the map. Finally, navigate to File, Save As to save my map. After we save our map in PDF file, we open again to make sure they have a title, scale, notes error, and legend on map. Now, we go to practical highlights. Question 1. Determining the right map scale is crucial for creating map. Discuss the statement. Map scales refer to the relationship or ratio between distance on a map and the corresponding distance on the ground. The scale on the map presents a distance measurement between each landmark. The importance of map scale. First is precision. A scale displays the actual value of the thing depicted on the map. Second is time management. Using a scale saves time and effort while examining the geography on a map. And the third is for tourism. Tourists use scale map to navigate the geography of the monument. There are three types of map scale. First is fractional or ratio scale. The function of fractional or ratio scale is a fractional scale map displays a portion of an object or geographic feature on the map. The second is linear scale. The function of linear scale is a linear scale depicts the distance between two or more notable locations. And third is verbal scale. The function of verbal scale is a verbal map scale describes a location or object by expanding abbreviation, for example, 1 inch to the mile. Question 2. Compare the effect of having large and small scale on map with an example. For large scale map, a large scale map makes every object or a landmark appear larger. Building and roads are clearly recognizable, and the large-scale map shows the name of malls, bridge, and the name of street. For example, map of Georgetown. For the small-scale map makes objects and landmarks appear smaller. The building, road, bridge, or any land feature is not recognizable. A small-scale map does not show the names of building, road, or bridge. For example, map of Semenanjung, Malaysia. This is the references that I use in this module.